And now, it's all a bit up in the air, but it might not just be me moving to Australia. Yeah, you should get to meet the whole family. I know, exciting or what? Okay, cool. Yeah, I will be in touch very soon then. All right, lots of love. Bye. Bye for now. Bye, bye, bye. I've got a friend looking for properties. Honestly, the more I think about us all being there together, the more perfect it sounds.
Have you seen Dad?
Yeah, he took Seb out for a drive. Why?
I thought I heard a noise, like there was someone in the house.
What, seriously?
I knew that Lucky was seeing Belle and you said Dad's out with Seb.
So who is it?
Well, I've been too scared to look.
What if it's Robert?